Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, gold is standing at 1945 right now. Yes, yesterday gold made a high of 1948.49, and right now we can see that there is a trend reversal on the chart of gold right now. Yesterday we discussed about the importance of the next high, not the previous high, not the next, the previous high of DXY, because DXY was an uptrend for a long time, and when DXY formed a lower high here, we got the indication that slowly market was losing strength. And we were right. We can clearly see on the chart right now that market is slowly losing strength. So if you look at the market technically, then yes, market, there's a possibility that in the coming days, DXY will be going down and gold will be going up, only technically. Because if we look at the economic calendar, then today also we have a news, okay, and day after tomorrow also we have the biggest news of the week, which is NFP, non-farm payroll. Okay, so you need to be careful. So especially news traders, okay, news traders, okay, if you have the expertise, experience, then that's a different chapter. You can obviously manage it. But beginners, new traders, news trading is the toughest form of trading. Try to stay away from news because your stop loss may not work. Because in news trading, no level work, no analysis work, only your experience and understanding of the body language of the market works. So as a result, try to avoid news trading as of now. And swing traders, positional traders, okay, try to stay away from the market right now because market, okay, let the news pass, okay, then you can come again. And day traders, try to stick to the levels on it. Try to trade from level to level only for safety purpose. Okay, so my dear friends, if you look at the news, then you can see dollar falls to 2-week low as economy data softens. Okay, dollar dropped to a 2-week low against the euro and a basket of currencies on Wednesday after data showed that US private payroll rose less than expected in August, adding to expectations that the Federal Reserve would stop raising interest rate hikes. So this was the reason we got to see a drop on DXY. If you look at the economic calendar, then you can see today also news coming up. Okay, in the US session, session has turned out to be a news session, so be careful. Okay. So if you look at the chart of DXY right now, then we can see that slowly DXY is losing strength. DXY is forming lower highs in the market. And here DXY also broke the previous low. So my dear friends, day before the news, if DXY drops again, we have the next support around 102.60, 102.50, 102.60 to 102.50. This is the next support on the chart of DXY US dollar index if the fall on DXY continues. Okay, after news, the fall may be deeper. Okay, I don't know because we are retail traders. Okay, and as I always say, my dear friends, it is very important for us to understand when to trust the technicals and when to trust the fundamentals. When news will be dominating the market, forget about the levels. Try to follow the trend of the market always. Okay, and if market tries to recover from here, then obviously the previous levels, the previous support of the 50 moving average, okay, will be working as the next resistance for the market. You can expect that 103.3, this level 100 moving average will be working as dynamic resistance. 103.66, all these will be working as dynamic resistance before the news. So let's wait and watch, and let's head back to the chart of gold then. Okay, today you can see that I am on a 4 hours time frame. Today I'm not in the 1 hour time frame because we need the stability. Okay, we need the good levels. Okay, so as a result, okay, we are back to the 4 hours time frame. And most importantly, my dear friends, it is very important to know when not to trade in the market. We always run after when to trade, when to get the buy and sell opportunity, but it is also important to know when not to trade in the market. Okay, so that's why, okay, patience is a virtue for traders. What? Patience is a virtue. Okay, so let's look at the levels for a day then. We can see that right now market is standing at the FIBO 61.8% retracement level here. This is the FIBO 61.8% retracement level here, and market is facing some resistance around here. Yesterday we talked about the bullish flag, and the bullish flag worked perfectly. We talked about the buy position above 1938, 1939. That level also worked very perfectly. So right now you can see that market is struggling around 1945. So what should be our strategy for the day then? So my dear friends, if market breaks 1949 or 1950, okay, let's go with 1950. It's a round number. So if market breaks 1950, market will head towards the next resistance of 1954. Day traders, if you see then market is going up again with green candles, market is breaking 1950 level, you can go for a buy position, but keep in mind next resistance is around 1954, and right now we can clearly see that market doesn't have much volume. So 1953, 54, 30, 40 pips as a day trader is good enough, and I'm the 40 pips trader next door. Okay, but yes, my dear friends, if market breaks 1955 level, okay, if market crosses 1955 level, then you can see that we do not have any resistance here. Okay, we have a clear zone here. If market breaks 1955, then you can expect that there will be a big move of around 80 to 90 pips. So in simple words, market is standing at the FIBO 61.8% right now, which is working as a resistance. So if market breaks 1949.50 level, we can expect that market will be heading towards the next resistance of 1954. Okay. But my dear friends, keep in mind, never forget that no level is permanent in the market. If you see market reversing, if you see the market is struggling around 1954-55 level, then only go for a sell. Okay, because confirmation is extremely important, and we are retail traders, our capital is limited, so we need to trade with caution. If you're trading, okay, if you're trading or if you're simply placing trades without any confirmation, it's a form of gambling, and don't do that. Okay, so if market reverses from 54 level, you can go for a sell, and if market breaks 1955, we can see that there is no immediate resistance. We can expect that market will be heading towards 1965 level, so we can go for a buy above 1955, considering it as a breakout, but yes, subject to conditions. So confirmation is important. Okay, so secondly, if market starts falling, okay, if market starts fall, not I won't say fall, okay, if market comes for correction, or if market comes for retracement, so my dear friend, the support level of 1924.25 that we discussed yesterday, okay, 1924.25 is still very much valid. We can see previous resistance will be working as support here, and yesterday we also drew Fibonacci, and we saw that from various points, okay, we were getting 1924.25 to be the common support. So the 24.25 is still very much valid, but today, before the news, if the volatility of the market remains low, in that case obviously market will not be coming for 1924.25. In that case, you can expect 1934.35 to be a minor bounce level. Again, you can expect a bounce of 40 pips. I'm a 40 pips trader next door. Okay, because why? See here, you can see here we have the 200 moving average, which was the previously dynamic resistance, okay, may work as a support for the market, and right now the volatility of the market is not very high, so how can you expect a 80 or 90 pips? For example, okay, most of the time, okay, we see that our TP doesn't get hit. Why? Because we have unrealistic expectations from the market. Let's say you have set the TP at 90 pips, okay, obviously market doesn't have the strength. How can he climb to 90 pips? So if market bounces from 34, 35 level, you can go for a quick buy position. Day traders, okay, you can expect 35 to 40 pips, and the support of 1924.25 is still valid. Okay, so my dear friends, these are the levels. But one thing I would like to mention, that many of you have taken sell position. Why you have taken sell position, I have no idea. Okay, but still, okay, you guys all have taken. Okay, never forget that it is, okay, not difficult. Okay, it is impossible to predict the tops and bottoms of the market. Okay, I didn't say this. Okay, Warren Buffett has said in numerous interviews, okay, respected Warren Buffett has said in numerous interviews that it is impossible to predict the tops and bottoms of the market. Okay, so don't try to predict the tops and bottoms of the market. Okay, always try to grow with the flow. And if you already have taken a sell position and sitting on a sell position right now, then my dear friends, we can clearly see a trend reversal here. Okay, so at the time of news or before news, if any correction comes, try to exit from your sell position, because if the upside continues, okay, then obviously you will be in big trouble, because market will be heading towards the 1985 1990 level, 1990 level, my year of birth. Okay, so I'll try to exit from your sell position if market comes for correction. If you see the market is coming down to 1924 level, okay, try to exit, because if market bounces again, then the bounce will be much more bigger. Okay, so try to save your capital. Do not gamble with your capital. And having confirmation is very, very important. For example, 1925-24 seems to be a very strong level. But can we guarantee that 1925 will obviously have a bounce? No, there is no 100% guarantee in the market. Let's say market comes down with a big red candle. Do you think that market will accept? Obviously no. Okay, we need to use our common sense. Common sense and trading goes side by side. You cannot trade blindly on levels. Confirmation is extremely important. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Be careful. And as you guys already know, that pro trader program or the workshop, okay, is about to start again from 6th of September, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. It's a 3 days workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English. दोनों language में होता है, my dear friends. And this workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed for, okay, for those people who have been struggling with the market for many months and years, unable to make money. If you go to my website, the link is in the description. Okay, you will see that, okay, I'm talking about a pro trader program here. Don't get confused. The workshop is just a part of the pro trader program. These are the benefits that you'll be receiving, okay, in the pro trader program after the workshop. After the 3 days workshop, you'll also be getting support for 1 month, and you'll be receiving all these benefits. You can join now also. After the workshop, you'll be receiving 1 month support. Everything is mentioned on the website. These are the topics that we will be dealing in the workshop, and these are the topics we will be studying in our weekly sessions. So 3 days workshop, 4 weekly classes. Okay, so, and my dear friends, I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Okay, because I have also seen the top and bottoms of my life. And I have also a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. Okay, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. The fees obviously needs to be very, very low. So dates and timing is mentioned here. You can see 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15, and these are the benefits that you'll be getting. Indians, rupees 1000 only. And if you're a beginner, okay, if you're a beginner and looking for some hand holding, if you're looking for some personal sessions, then you can definitely sign up for the lifetime support or 6 month support. They are also very, very affordable, because trading is a journey. Okay, there is no shortcut. You cannot expect that within few days only you will be able to learn everything. Okay, so if you are looking for a longer relationship, then obviously you can sign up for semi-annual and lifetime subscriptions. They are also extremely affordable. Okay, so in lifetime session you get 6 personal sessions with me, and in a semi-annual you get 2 personal sessions with me. So that's it, my dear friends. Okay, this is the number. You need to share the screenshot so that I can add you to our WhatsApp and Telegram groups. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.